Guys, this is just a trader talking to a trader, okay? If I could just have some kind of magic power to just reach you and have you see what I am seeing right now in the markets, okay? You would literally, if you saw what I saw in the market right now, you would literally jump off the chair if you're sitting. If you're walking, you would start running. If you just saw what I'm seeing in the market right now, you would do everything in your power to make sure that you have the positions on. You know, there was a moment before the COVID crash when I used to get a lot of hate emails, comments, bullshit from people that didn't understand nothing about the market. And I didn't know about the COVID crash. I didn't know the catalyst that was going to crash the market. All I did was what I'm doing now. All I did what I always do. I look at the charts. I probably look at the charts more than every trader out there, guys. There's probably somebody looking at charts in the same way that I do, but I'm not sure if they are able to see what I am seeing in the charts right now. And all things put aside, I understand macroeconomics. I love economics. I got the concepts of economics pretty down packed, but sometimes those macro conditions is not necessarily something that drives the market. So when you combine the charts and the macro and the 13 market moves, when you're looking at so many different factors, when everything screams it's a fucking duck, it's probably not a fucking chicken, okay? So this is one of those moments where, many of you guys got into trading at some point, okay, to do what? To make a lot of fucking money. And yet, what do? Like, seriously, just let's have a serious talk. What do? Your trade goes $500 positive. What do? You jump the fuck out. Why do you jump out? Because you're so fucking afraid that you're positive 500 right now in your trade that, you're sitting there fucking scared. Well, what if this green is going to go away? And what if the trade turns red? Guys, that's just, I don't care how long you've been trading. I don't care if you've been trading for 1 day, 10 years, 25 years, 50 fucking years, okay? Most of the traders trade with fear. And the reason why they don't make the kind of trades that we're putting here together at 13 Market Moves, guys, is the fear. Guys, if you're going to be fearful that the market will take your money away, guess what's going to fucking happen? The market will take your fucking money, okay? If you're going to expect good shit to happen to your trading account and you do everything in your power to stay with one system, follow it, okay, it doesn't guarantee that you will win every day. It doesn't guarantee that your expectations will work out every time. But I promise you, it is a much better posture going into tomorrow's trading day, expecting that you saw in the market what nobody else could see, okay? Because when everybody can see shit, guess what? There's no money to be made. When everybody sees that inflation is going down, they probably fucking run. And that's just generally speaking. But there are clear moments where, if you run, you can go from bear to bull. You can go from bull to bear. You as a trader, I mean, you are a free man to change the direction. If some of the things that, according to your strategy, you're watching, if they're not changing within a certain time frame, you have the right to reverse the direction. You have the right to get the fuck out of the trade. But if the trade is flowing, don't get the fuck out of the trade. Like, for example, okay, Boeing was on our top 10 shorts for 2024. Boeing drops, like, very few people listen, right? So post this video, top 10 shorts for 2024. People are giving me shit. Like, I love it when people give me so much shit. I love it when we get hateful emails. I love it because the higher the number of hateful messages or hateful bullshit that's going on, the closer I am to nailing a perfect trade. Like 100xer, guys. 100xer don't happen every trading day. Okay, 100xer, guys, it's a big wave. You gotta hunt for it. You gotta wait for it. Certain conditions have to be right. Okay, big fucking waves that don't happen every day in the sea, in the ocean. Okay, you gotta go chase them down sometimes. Sometimes you just gotta be patient till the right wave is gonna come your way. That's how you catch 100xer. And when you pay attention as close as I do, as everyone that's been trained by me here at Thursday Market Moves, when we see these market conditions, okay, they're not to be taken lightly. They are not to be taken lightly. Some people will lose their ass in the market because they are not seeing the underlying conditions that will be driving the market over the course of the next 8 days, because they have not done their homework. They probably try to watch one of our videos and they heard a guy that could barely fucking speak, that stutters, that can't express his opinions quite clear, maybe as some other YouTube channels. I'm talking about myself, guys. I'm the worst fucking communicator. I'm trying to say something sometimes, and I just, I probably confuse more people than anything. But for those of you that are actually able to follow some of my messages, that's fucking great. Hallelujah. So, sometimes people ask me, well, Leo, why do you do this? Okay, it's just, guys, it's for the sake of doing something that nobody else has ever done before. I mean, for the sake of being able to help 50 guys make $1 million plus in trading. Nobody has ever done that shit ever before. So I'd like to go down in the history as someone that has done it. Okay, who's got the fucking Guinness record of helping most traders out go 1 million plus and setting them free for the rest of their life, to where they learn a skill, to where they can fucking locate trades on their own, to where they can trade fearlessly. I want my name to be in the record book of Guinness. Oh shit, look at this. And somebody reading the record book of Guinness in 2050, okay, he's gonna read Leonardo fucking helped 1,788 people fucking hit million plus as a trader and change their life forever. That's what I want. Okay, all this little bullshit, teach me how to make $500 a day. Fuck that. Okay, when the market gives you an opportunity to make $500,000 in a day, you go for it. When all the market is giving you is $500 a day, take it. But don't be taking $500 a day when the market is giving you a $500,000 opportunity in a day. Those are the kind of opportunities we're going to have in the next 8 days. Those are kind of opportunities that will help some guys go from nothing to a fucking million plus. Okay? But and it's not that complicated, guys. The only reason somebody has been trading for 25 fucking years have not yet put together a 50x trade, not even once in the last 25 years, because they were taught conventional wisdom. Conventional bullshit is what I call it. Conventional wisdom in trading does not make you money. Okay, some correlations, they're changing. If you're going to follow the same correlation, somebody asked me a question, well, Leo, when the market is dropping, it's a good time. It's a good time to buy gold, right? Wait, fuck no. Okay, maybe in the 70s. Yeah, in the 70s, because shit. Well, in what happened in 73? Well, they took gold off the standard. Took dollar off the gold standard. So yeah, clearly, fucking gold went up. And what was driving the market back in the 70s is, you've got high fucking inflation through the roof. You had high oil prices because at that moment, the United States weren't producing as much oil as it does now. So all of these high gas prices, high everything, high fucking market 73, 74, man, that was some rough times for the market. But it didn't hit the price of gold. And so some of the shit that people were taught back from that time frame, how, whoa, shit, but gold is going to fucking go higher because the market is dropping. They were always look at the context. Always look at the context. And so current context and current correlations are telling us if dollar goes higher, gold fucking drops. It's contrary. It doesn't make sense. See, what makes money in the market does not make fucking sense to a normal person. It doesn't. Now, there's one exception to how gold could go higher and oil could go higher. It's, if a war breaks the fuck out. Okay, so now if we look at the correlation of gold in relation to a war, then it's a whole nother subject, right? Then we can then we could have a situation where gold and dollar could be going higher at the same fucking time, okay? So in times of war and war escalation, you buy gold. So some of you are really fucking confused now because, Leo, you keep talking about World War III, but you want to short gold now? Oh boy, that sounds like a really scary trade. I'm not sure if I want to take that fucking trade, Leo. Whoa, give me another one. Guys, it's always the trade that you don't want to take that's going to go to the fucking moon, okay? So I'll tell you a story. I've traded with a guy. Not going to say any names, not trying to offend anyone, but so this guy traded DWAC with me on the call on the short side, and so we caught a bad entry. I think he lost, I don't know, like that was like a couple of years ago. So he lost I don't know, maybe $10,000. And I text him he texts me like a couple of weeks ago. He's like, hey Leo, what's good? You know, I'm like, bro, you gotta get on DWAC calls. and that's the day DWAC trades at like $16, right? And I can show you a message. Like, guys, this is a podcast, an audio recording, but I have a text message in my phone somewhere. So I can show you. He sends me a message back that says, Leo, there's no fucking way in the world I am ever trading DWAC. I'm never touching that son of a bitch with a 10-foot pole. I'm not. There's nothing you can do, Leo, to get me into this DWAC trade ever again. I remember I lost fucking money on it. And so, guys, I'm telling you, this guy just missed on like a $600,000 payday just because at some point in the last 2 years he lost like 6 to 10K on a fucking trade, okay? And unfortunately, okay, this is bad for him, but it's also bad for me because he could have been one of the fucking... Do you understand what's it like to go into this crash that I see right now with a guy that just basically had... could have started the year with 10K, gone to 600K on DWAC because the trade was there on the fucking day when it was $16. Okay? And so he could have caught like fucking gazillion return, right? And some of our guys did, and now they're going into this fucking crash with 600K, 700K. Guys, do you know what that could amount to at 10xer? I mean, there is a chance that you will hear some guys telling you how they made 6-7 million. Now, you understand, these guys just started maybe like a couple of weeks ago. I mean, maybe these are some guys that traded with us. Some guys took some hits with us in November, December. Market keeps fucking going high. We don't buy the bullshit. Okay? And now this payout is about to happen to these guys. Some of these guys, they've done fucking like amazing on this DWAC trade. And so the difference was some guys took it and some guys didn't. Some guys held the grudge because, well, maybe remember, well, I'm not trading this ticker. Guys, never do that. Never do that, okay? Market is changing. Like, my attitude towards a ticker that might have taken some money away from me would be like, well, fuck you, okay? Next time, I'm going all out on this ticker. It's going to give me all my fucking money back it took from me last time, plus 10x, plus 20x, plus 50 fucking x. And so, if you get, like, guys, if you're trading with me, you got to understand. The last fucking thing I want you to do is losing your fucking money. What good does that do for me? Fuck, I hate it. I hate it more. I can lose money on my own, okay? But if you're trading with me and you're losing money because, hey, we got a bad entry, because, hey, we got, mistimed maybe an expiration by a day or two. Okay, that's shit. I don't want that shit, okay? I feel 100 times worse when, we take a hit when we trade together than when I take a loss on my own, guys. But loss is just a part of the game. Don't be mad at the ticker. If you're going to be in this game, understand that there's certain conditions that you just cannot miss. Okay, this guy missed 600,000 on DWAC. But he didn't just miss 600,000 on DWAC because it is a sequence of events. You understand? The guy could have gone from 10K to 600K on DWAC, and now he could have been staring at this crash with 600K in put positions going into the next 8 days. The guy could have been at 6 million plus. So that one deviation from a strategy, okay? Don't be mad at the fucking ticker if it took some money from you in the past. Okay, don't be mad at the game, okay? Be mad at yourself, okay? Be mad at yourself that maybe in the last 25 years, you haven't learned any new tricks. How many videos do I have to fucking record? Set up your account correct. Get your ass off your chair right now. Go fucking get yourself approved for trading futures. Trade options on futures. How many of those videos do I got to record? And thank God that I do record those, because there's a very limited number of people that actually do take action. That's why I keep recording those messages, because I want you guys to do really fucking good. I want you to experience what a 50x trade feels like, okay? And I promise you, all the people around you has been giving you shit, that lost their belief in you, that people, maybe you borrowed some money to come and trade, okay? These people, okay, maybe they're fed up with you, and maybe they're fed up with your fucking losses. But these people, the moment you do a 50x trade, bro, do you know how happy your wife is going to be? Do you know how happy your kids are going to be? Because daddy's going to take them to fucking Disneyland. Daddy's been promising Disneyland for years, and now it's fucking happening. Okay, good shit happens to your family and people around you when you nail a 50xer, guys. Okay, so expect the good shit is going to happen to you in 2024. Don't be mad at the ticker. Don't be mad at the game. And, it's probably even time that you stop being mad at yourself. Just give yourself another fucking chance in 2024. Guys, the timing is now. If I had some kind of way to jump out of this audio message and shake you up right now, okay, so you could see the things I am seeing in the charts right now, I would do it. I don't know how to do it, and I'm doing my best by recording extra amount of videos, guys, since the beginning of the year, because I saw this historic analog, and I've showed up every fucking day, and I wish I could even record more messages and more videos, so maybe some of you, okay, will come on board of this 50x program, because it doesn't just impact you and your state and your being, it impacts everyone around you. Okay, so you want a happier family. You want to do something good in your life. You want to donate some money to charity. You want to do something outside of yourself. Maybe you're happy with whatever you have. We're not talking about doing shit for you. Do shit for others. But it starts with a big fucking trade. It starts with time in the market. It starts with doing shit by getting off your ass now. It starts with you doing something that you have not done before, and that is trusting a process, trusting a program, trusting a strategy, and not deviating, okay, from it. The way our strategy at 13 Market Moves is designed, we go for fucking home runs, okay? And some of you, if you follow in a bunch of other trading channels, they don't trade like us. Nobody trades like fucking 13 Market Moves. Nobody. Yes, it is fucking high risk. Okay, but what is not high risk these days? Going outside is fucking high risk these days because anything can fucking happen. Okay, but I'm here to tell you, expect good shit to happen to your trading. Follow the fucking program 100% of the time, and you will beat the market. You know, beating the market, I've done it many, many fucking times. I have failed many, many fucking times. I've made millions of dollars. I've lost millions of dollars. I've made millions of dollars fucking again. And I'm telling you, that you can fucking do it. You can beat the market. One of the greatest moments in your life as a trader is beating the market. Not in a $500 a day kind of bullshit way, but in a big fucking way. In a big way where you lock yourself in the room and you fucking trade 3 days fucking straight. You don't even go outside. You don't fucking talk to anybody. And at the end of day 4, you come out and you tell your family, look, we are set. I just made $6 million. Dude, I just try to even in your mind right now, just try to even go through that. Try to understand that can be you, that this can be real. Try to imagine the expression on their faces when you're going to tell them that. But see, most of the people, they're going to make bullshit excuses. Leo, but I'm at work, but I can't take a trade, but I'm this, I'm that, I'm that. And they're fucking watching YouTube videos at work, but they can't take 10 fucking seconds to buy some puts on the market ahead of this fucking crash. I don't get it. I don't buy these fucking excuses. That's bullshit. Now, of course, if you don't act on this message, man, you could be looking at your family again Friday, and the market's going to be collapsing, and you wish you had those puts, and you're going to be looking at them, and you're going to say, oh, honey, I could have made fucking $6 million with Leo, but I fucked up. Or probably you're not even going to tell them nothing. But you're going to feel like shit inside. And I don't want you guys to feel like shit. I want you guys to, whatever. Look, I don't give a fuck. 30 years you've been trading. You're tired of counting your losses. This is your fucking moment. Next 8 days. Okay? You have 30 years of losses could be fucking erased. This is how powerful this historic analog is. This is how powerful our 13 Market Moves program is. This is how powerful Move 6 indication of a market motherfucking top when nobody talks on CNBC about it. Hey guys, you know, here's a funny fact. 2 days ago, I recorded a fucking video saying, hey, buy BABA calls, buy Baidu calls. I'm like randomly, I'm scrolling through CNBC. Here comes Kramer today, 2 days fucking later. All of these stocks, BABA up huge, like fucking 10-15%. Baidu is up 10-15%. Kramer's recording the video today. Hey guys, oh, well, this is not the trade we're taking, but hey, you should take this trade. Oh yeah, go buy fucking calls on this. After the shit is up 10-15%, why would you buy fucking calls here? Cause that's, maybe he didn't say buy calls. He said like buy these stocks. You know what I'm saying? But like, what fuck? He's telling you to buy them two days later. That's just a prime example how, okay, nobody's talking about the fucking crash in the news today. Nobody's talking anything about even the possibility of a remote fucking crash on CNBC today on January 24th. But they will be tomorrow, and they certainly will be talking about it Friday. And when Monday fucking comes, and it could be a black motherfucking Monday, okay, 1987 style, okay, guys, then they definitely will be talking about. So anyway, guys, the timing is now, and it's just, at some point, you got to make some decisions in life. And life boils down to just a few moments where you're presented with an opportunity to change the direction of your life, to change the direction of the life of people around you in a very, very profound way. And I'm telling you today, on January 24th, 2024, that this moment is here. This time is here. This is time for you as a trader to evolve to a whole nother fucking level. Guys, this is the fucking moment that you have been waiting for. If you were a trader for the last 30 years, this is the moment that you have been waiting for to set yourself free. This is why you have been trading for the last 20, 30 years. It is for this very moment of victory. Now, I dare you guys to be victorious as short sellers over the course of the next 8 days. I dare you guys forget everything about trading that you have learned in the last 25, 30 years. Just trust the charts and the 13 market moves program, the move sequence, the historic analog. Forget everything that you're listening to in the news today. Focus on the historic analog, because these are the facts. Be the guy that pulls the trigger on this big move before they will talk about it in the news over the course of the next 8 days. It's time for you to set yourself apart from the herd of sheep of Wall Street and beat them in their own fucking game as an individual trader. And the way to do it is to act now by going to 13mmtv.com, clicking the big orange button, and scheduling a call with a trader. This is your gateway to everything that you have been wanting as a trader in the last 20, 30 years. So do it now. January 2024, January 24th. Do it today before the next 8 days of major drops in the market. 13 market moves. Dare to do things that nobody has done ever before. 50x, 70x, 100x in next 8 days. Let's roll and let's do it together. I'll see you guys on the other side after these 8 days are done. Just remember, this is your moment. Expect that good shit is going to happen to you over the course of the next 8 days. Let's roll.